some useful result. Every polynomial, exponential and constant functions are differentiable. What is a polynomial function? Polynomial function means, say, x to the power 5 plus x cube plus 5x square plus 2x. This type of, that is a polynomial function. It is x is a variable, and on that particular variable it is the polynomial. Its degree is 5, or its degree it may be n itself. What is an exponential function? A to the power x. It is an exponential function. That is the variable x, it is in exponent itself. Exponential function. Constant function, that is, say, k is a constant or c is a constant. That is the constant function. All these particular functions are differentiable. We can easily prove from first principle itself. I think in class 11 you have done it. Logarithmic function is differentiable in their domain. I think in function you have read what is the domain, what is the range of a particular function itself. So there is a domain. For that particular domain this function is defined. So our logarithmic function, where it is defined, that is in its domain itself, it is differentiable. Similarly, trigonometrical and inverse trigonometrical function, it is also differentiable in their domain. Why I am again each and every time I am writing domain, say a trigonometrical function, say sin x. Now that particular sin x or sin theta, now the value of theta, it is 0 degree to 360 degree. You are not in a position to go beyond that. And the value of sin theta, it cannot be beyond this. That is minus 1 to 1. So obviously this particular trigonometrical function, it is defined in its domain. That is, beyond these, there is no existence of the value of the sin theta itself. So it is differentiable within this domain itself. Beyond domain, there is no existence of the function. So how it will be? Now it is very important. Modulus functions is differentiable everywhere except at that point where it is 0. Now I am somehow elaborating this. Modular function. What is the modular function? Say fx equal to mod of, say, x minus 1 for all x belongs to R. Now, is it differentiable at x is equal to 1? We will check. Now this function, it can be redefined. As fx equal to we can write this, since it is the modulus function, so it means the value of fx will always be positive. It means the value of x minus 1 will always be positive. If the value of x, if it is more than 1, so it means that is if x minus 1 greater or equal to 0, or we can write if x greater or equal to 1. So at that point of time the value of fx is x minus 1. But if the value of x is less than 1, so at that point of time we will have to take the minus sign. And if x is say 0.5, so 0.5 minus 1 is minus 0.5. So since it is modular function, it means you will have to take another negative, that is minus of x minus 1 for x minus 1 less than 0. Now, what would be the left hand derivative? LHD at x equal to 1 equal to limit h tends to 0. What is this? From this particular f a minus h means If here a is 1 at x is equal to 1 minus h minus fa means f1 divided by minus h means minus h. It is the left hand derivative. Now f1 minus h, since it is left hand derivative, that is for x minus 1 less than 0. So for x minus 1 less than 0, what would be f1 minus h? We will put the value of this 1 minus h, that is minus x minus 1 is the value. So in place of x we will put plain 1 minus h. So equal to limit h tends to 0 minus of x means 1 minus h minus 1, that is x minus 1 minus of x minus 1, it is x, the value of x is 1 minus h minus f1. What is the value of f1? For x equal to 1, it is x plus 1, that is f1 equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0 divided by minus h equal to limit h tends to 0 in numerator h, denominator minus h equal to minus 1. Now what is the right hand derivative? RHD, from that particular RHD we get from this limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h minus f1 divided by h equal to limit h tends to 0. We will put the value here, since it will be right hand limit, that is x minus 1 greater than 2. What would be the value? It will be 1 plus h minus 1, and f1 we got the from earlier itself, it is 0 divided by 8 equal to h by h equal to 1. So it means left hand derivative not equal to right hand derivative, and that is why the function is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. What does it mean? The function is not differentiable when its value is 0. X is equal to 1 means mod of x minus 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So it means when that particular functional value is 0, it is not differentiable. Whatever I am writing here, so all modular function, it is differentiable except when its value equal to 0. I am ending this session now. In next session, I will talk some important formula of the differentiation itself and some other things. Okay, thank you.